How old are you?
17.
How long have you been 17?
A while.
I know what you are.
Say it out loud.
Vampire.
No. Where's the lamb?
I love you. But what about Jacob? Jacob! Yeah, what about me, huh?
Werewolf. That was mine, okay?
No! Attack the werewolf!
My fangs got you.
I'm gonna go meet your family now, okay?
Alright.
Okay, this is Rosalie, and this is... I have her. This is... You keep moving the paper. Yeah. I hate you. This is Jasper. He's the one who looks like he's in pain.
Does he have the hat on there, the sideways hat?
Okay, anyways, wait, Wolfjack. Who's Wolfjack? Anyway, this is Wolfjack. I'm coming to get you. Eat.
No.
I'm dead now. Oh no, I'm dying.
I'll put you.
I'm gonna put it in me.
You're venom, okay? Oh, but I can't resist. I can't stop. Now I have to go through the flashbacks of Carlisle changing me.
Here's Carlisle and my son.
Carlisle,
Stop it! You have to find the control.
It's too hard.
Stop!
It's too hard. Carlisle. How could you, Carlisle? I'm almost done, okay?
Coming to theaters November 21st. Twilight High School Musical version.